You ever wonder when cars stopped being built for people like us? Seriously, when did it all change? When did car companies stop listening to the ones who actually care and start chasing trends, safety ratings, and tech gimmicks? Because it wasn't always like this. There was a time when cars had personality. They were loud, rough, temperamental at times, but they had soul. You felt everything, every bump in the road, every mistake you made behind the wheel. And the car didn't cover for you. It exposed you, and that's how you got better. Now, you're surrounded by drive modes, forced engine noise, and computers that won't let you make a mistake. The car flatters you, but never connects with you. And somehow, we're told this is better. Modern sports cars, they're fast, extremely fast. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Active aero, carbon fiber everywhere. All the spec sheet buzzwords your wallet fears. But the faster they get, the less they feel. You floor it. The car launches, grips, corrects, adjusts. You blink and you're breaking the speed limit. But your heart doesn't move. Because it's not you doing it. It's the computer. These cars aren't asking anything of you. They're performing around you. And that's the problem. A real sports car, a good one, demands your full attention. It punishes lazy inputs. It rewards rhythm, precision, guts. Now, we get performance without risk, power without consequence, a highlight reel with no story. You used to feel like the engineers had your back, like they wanted you to experience something, not just consume it. Now it's not the engineers calling the shots. It's the lawyers, the marketing team, the insurance department. It yells if you downshift too early. It limits what you can turn off and buries the settings behind 3 touchscreen menus because liability. It's like buying a guitar and being told not to play the wrong notes. Where's the trust? Where's the raw connection? It's all been polished out. You used to open the hood and know what you were looking at. Now it's all sealed plastic and electronic warnings. Want to install a new exhaust? Good luck. It'll throw a code, void your warranty, and maybe alert the emissions police. It doesn't feel like your car anymore. It feels borrowed, like you're only allowed to experience it on their terms. But cars used to be different. You wrenched on them. You made mistakes. You learned. They chewed up your knuckles and stole your weekends, and you loved them more because of it. Now, you don't bond with them. You follow instructions. And somewhere in that transition, we lost the magic. Look, I get it. Technology has its place. We're not asking for drum brakes and carburetors again. But something was lost when they started designing the cars for the masses. Because sports cars were never supposed to be for everyone. They were supposed to be a little dangerous, a little flawed. That's what made them beautiful. The noise, the smell, the way the gear stick fought you on a cold morning. All of it mattered because it felt real. Now, everything's smoothed over. Safe, predictable, marketable. They still call them driver's cars. But half the time, the car is doing the driving for you. You don't fall in love with a car because it has 600 horsepower and launch control. You fall in love because it scares you a little, because you messed up a shift and the car bit back, because you caught a slide and laughed like a maniac, because it made you feel alive. That's what the new ones don't understand. That's what the spreadsheets can't measure. We don't want cars that do everything for us. We want cars that ask something of us, that fight back, that talk to us. That's connection.